Welcome to PC.Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way to view and export Thunderbird files and folders. Let's start by downloading PC.'s Thunderbird email converter on our machines. Now, go to the Open tab. Software support different email clients and file formats. First, go to the Open tab and select Thunderbird if you have Thunderbird application running on your machine. Choose Configured Account, otherwise, select Choose Folder option to upload Thunderbird emails. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. You can hide system folders during conversion. It is done by running the application on a Windows computer and click on Compact option. It also hides subfolders to facilitate the conversion. Now tap on any of the mailbox for data preview. As you see now, all the emails in the Thunderbird folder are listed one by one. Now, click the email to view the message. This way you can preview the Thunderbird email message with all the properties and elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. The tool provides the message header tab. The header information of an email is a valuable source. Using this Thunderbird viewer, you can see the email header preview easily. The tool also enables you to see the hex view of the email. Just tap on the hex view tab. The solution also provides the view of raw information of the email. Please click on raw message option to get the preview. Search option is another important feature of this tool. There are two types of search option available with this software: Quick Search and Advanced Search. But, now we will wrap up the things and explained about these two features in our next video tutorial. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.